What's up, guys? It's XF Phones, and today I will have my lovely girlfriend Tiani help me unbox Wanda Webworth that we got at the flagship store grand opening.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Me too. Let's just open it. Alright. So first off, we got the instructions.
Are these
I'm pretty
the
sure
legs,
those...
arms?
I think those are the legs. I think this is trash.
Okay,
This is the leg.
the base is on top.
Yeah. This is the base. It's actually pretty gigantic.
Are there like
Another leg.
under it?
This is an arm.
Other arm.
Another arm.
Other arm.
Another arm. Another other arm. These arms look pretty sick.
The leg. And I think
Another
there's
leg?
another one in there.
Yeah. Alright, this is another arm. Guys, another arm. Another arm, actually. Awesome. And yes, the other part of the leg. Here's the head. This is really hard to get off. Alright guys, here's the head. We haven't looked at it yet. Whoa! But dude, this head looks amazing, guys. I really love how these little things here are just flexible and they jiggle when her mouth moves. It's pretty cool. What do you think of this head?
I like it.
It looks pretty awesome. We got the clothing piece. Here is the legs. Or no, not the legs, the feet, my bad. The legs look kinda odd.
The feet?
The feet. Did I just say the legs again?
Yeah.
My bad, guys. Here's the adapter. Awesome sauce.
Yeah.
Here's the mechanism with the control box and everything. Yeah, that's all the parts. So we have all the parts laid out. We got the base, the clothing, both feet, the instructions, the adapter, 6 arms, the head, the mechanism with the control box, and 4 leg pulls. First, we can put down the base.
And then we can put the 2 feet on.
And then we can get the 2 legs and put them on.
And then the top parts of the legs.
And then we can put on the mechanism. All right.
And then we put the adapter in.
And then we can put on the head. All right, we got the head on. All right, now we can put on the clothing over top of Wanda. All right, we just finished putting on the clothing. That was really difficult.
Then we have to put on the 2 arms.
All right, we got both arms in. And then we can get 2 of the eye arms and put them through here. Like that. And then we can get the arms for the other side and put them in.
And then we can put in the last part. Back.
She's all done, so we can go on to the demo now. That was Wanda Webworth, and she is an amazing prop. I love this prop so much. We don't really get giant spider props, really. So this as a prop is like amazing. I love how these little mouthpieces are like just latex, so they jiggle around when her mouth moves. And the eyes are super creepy, and everything about the face too is pretty good. The arms are pretty scary. I like the movement. The only thing I don't like are the legs. They're pretty weird looking. But that doesn't really matter to me. I just love this prop, like the look of it. So yeah, that's my thoughts on it.
I also like how scary it looks, but maybe the building process isn't the easiest. But I do like the whole spider idea, and it's scary.
Yeah, and the putting together part was pretty hard too. So yeah, that was Wanda Webworth. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time.